Is it time to buy or sell Taiwan Semiconductor stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Taiwan Semiconductor. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 5th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 24th of April, 2025, our system has classified Taiwan Semiconductor as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.32. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. During this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 7.44% since we initially recommended purchasing Taiwan Semiconductor 8 days ago. This equates to an average return of 0.93% each day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This scenario typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $178.46 would initially signify a slower rate of decline, potentially marking the first indication of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend points to a possible change of approximately negative 21.71% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging between negative 43.85% and negative 20.80%. When considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of 10.93%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 10.6% to positive 45.28% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $158.65 and $256.28. Our latest daily update for Taiwan Semiconductor includes the headline, Red Day on Monday for Taiwan Semiconductor stock, after losing 1.61%. The Taiwan Semiconductor stock price fell by 1.61% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 5th of May, 2025, from $179.28 to $176.40. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.17%, reaching a low of $176.25 and a high of $180.08. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 19.3% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume also decreased on the last day, along with the stock price, which is generally a positive sign as volume should align with stock performance. On that day, the trading volume fell by 7 million shares, with a total of 12 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $2.2 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $226.40, while the lowest price was $133.57. Currently, the price is 22.08% or $50, below the 52-week high of $226.40, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Recent updates regarding Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC, reveal significant potential for both short-term and long-term stock performance. As of today, TSMC is trending among investors, underscored by a bullish sentiment in the tech sector, reflected in a notable increase of 4% in share price just days ago. This uptick aligns with the growing emphasis on artificial intelligence, which continues to revolutionize the semiconductor space. With AI projected to expand significantly, creating a $1 trillion market by the year 2030, TSMC's role as a critical player positions it for sustained growth. Acknowledged as a robust investment choice amid recent market downturns, TSMC stock has become an attractive option during these turbulent times, especially as other tech stocks face volatility from trade tensions and tariff concerns. Looking ahead, analysts are forecasting that TSMC could emerge as one of the top-performing semiconductor stocks over the next decade. With companies reliant on semiconductors to power AI advancements and overall tech innovation, TSMC is poised to benefit from the ongoing demand. In summary, while short-term fluctuations are present due to external factors, TSMC's strategic positioning in a growing sector indicates potential for long-term value appreciation, making it a stock worth considering for both growth and stability in investment portfolios. Analyst ratings. On Friday, April 25, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned TSM a hold rating along with a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that Susquehanna also gave TSM a positive rating, maintaining a hold action. On Monday, April 21, 2025, Barclays reported an overweight rating for TSM, again with a hold action. On Tuesday, April 15, 2025, Daiwa assigned TSM a buy rating with an upgrade action. On Wednesday, October 23, 2024, Barclays reiterated an overweight rating for TSM, once more with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Taiwan Semiconductor stock. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts provide a strong buy rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Taiwan Semiconductor. The Taiwan Semiconductor stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there is expected support at $169.72 and $163.89. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, and to date, the stock is decreased by 1.61%. Continued decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is identified. The volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which diminishes overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands signaled a buy 3 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a buy signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 4 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average issued a sell signal 51 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 45 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Taiwan Semiconductor. Taiwan Semiconductor finds support from accumulated volume at $172.97. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock typically shows average movements throughout the day, and with favorable trading volume, the associated risk is regarded as medium. In the past day, the stock fluctuated by $3.83 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 2.17%. Over the course of the last week, the daily average volatility of the stock was 2.22%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio might suggest a subdued outlook for the company's future or indicate that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 17th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $2.13. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Taiwan Semiconductor is at $180. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Taiwan Semiconductor encounters its first support level at $172.97. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $169.01, reflecting a decrease of 4.19%. This stock exhibits moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Taiwan Semiconductor stock a good buy? Taiwan Semiconductor presents several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to categorize it as a buy candidate. At its current level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, allowing for accumulation while waiting for further developments. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, May 6th, we anticipate that Taiwan Semiconductor will open higher by $1.18, beginning trading at $177.58. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.